Geographical diversity of India. In 1984, when Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to travel into space, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked him how India looked from there. His reply was, Sare jahan se acha, better than the whole world. Truly, India's land is full of beauty and contrasts. From icy peaks to hot deserts, from long rivers to green valleys, India has everything. That is why it is called the Indian subcontinent, a distinct part of Asia, separated by natural boundaries. For easier study, India's land can be divided into 5 broad regions: the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau and coasts, the islands, the Himalayas. The Himalayas stretch like a wall in the north, separating India from the rest of Asia. They are some of the highest mountains in the world. Snow melting from these peaks feeds mighty rivers like the Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra. No wonder they are called the water tower of Asia. The Himalayas are divided into 3 parts. Himadri or Greater Himalayas, tallest, always snow-covered. Himachal or Lesser Himalayas, home to towns like Shimla and Darjeeling. Shivalik Hills, lower hills covered with forests and wildlife. A unique part of this region is Ladakh, a cold desert with temperatures below 30 degrees C. Known as Moonland, it has rare animals and colorful festivals. The northern plains. Formed by rivers like the Ganga and Brahmaputra, these plains are flat, fertile, and densely populated. The rich alluvial soil makes them India's food ball. Roads and railways are easy to build here, so this region is well connected. The Great Indian Desert. To the west lies the Thar Desert, spread across Rajasthan and nearby states. It has sand dunes, thorny bushes, and extreme temperatures. People here use traditional methods like tankas to save water. The Peninsular Plateau and coasts. South of the plains lies the Peninsular Plateau, shaped like a triangle. It has the western and eastern Ghats with forests and waterfalls. The Deccan Plateau is rich in rivers, minerals, and tribal culture. India also has a long coastline of about 7,500 kilometers. The western coast has estuaries, while the eastern coast has fertile deltas like those of the Godavari and Kaveri. The islands. India has 2 main island groups. Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea, made of coral islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, rich in forests, wildlife, and history. With the famous cellular jail,